So hi all, my name is Shubham Kumar and this is a continuation of Microsoft Azure training of part 8. In this training we will learn about the price calculator. Basically we will know how to calculate the estimated cost of monthly basis or other basis, okay, or basically yearly basis or these type of thing. We will know that how much cost we will incorporate when we move to the cloud server, okay. So basically we have two different type of price calculator. One is normal calculator, which will tell us the estimated cost on monthly basis, and that is azure.microsoft.com. I will open in few minutes. And another is TCO calculator. Okay, first of all move into the first calculator. So this is the normal price calculator. As you can see, this is the price calculator and URL is for this one, okay. So from this page or this calculator page, you can select your estimated, you can find your estimated cost by adding the resources into this one section. For example, you need in features, you need virtual machine, you need storage, SQL, Azure SQL database, and many other things. You can see the compute things is also available, networking is also available, storage is also available. You can choose as per your requirement, okay. So for example, we choose the virtual machine, view it, and you can see that you can give a name or estimated cost to your client. You can give that how much it will take, okay. When you are choosing this configuration, basically 1 DC v2 v3 2V CPU and 8 GB RAM, okay. So it will incorporate $152.62 per month basis. So first of all, you can choose the region. Suppose you want to go with the north central US or India region is also available. If you scroll down, yeah, over here you can see the central India option is there. You can choose the operating system, Linux or Windows, and the type is also, for example, you select the SQL server, so by default the SQL server will install onto your virtual machine, okay. And you can choose the license, SQL standard, web or enterprise, okay. And the cost of the SQL servers will added onto the this one, okay. If you select OS only, it is showing $143. If suppose I'm choosing the SQL server, the cost of SQL server is also added, okay. The cost of standard is little bit low and web is too much low, okay. And you can choose the tier basic or standard. You can choose the category, GPU, high performance computing, memory optimize, or these things, okay. You can choose the instance series. From here you can choose the different type of flavor of CPUs, memories, and the temporary storage, okay. And you can see in the last section, it is showing us a per hour cost, okay. Number of virtual machine, how much machines you want to run, 1 or 2. Number of hour you want to run your virtual machine in a month, okay. Here you can see there are 3 options: pay as you go, 1 year reserve, 3 year reserve. So in 1 year reserve, 42% discount is applicable, and in 3 year reserve, 63% discount is applicable, okay. And average per month cost is showing over here. License included, okay. Software SQL server license cost is $23, and window license cost is $67, okay. So over here you can come with the manage disk, or you can say the operating system disk, in which the operating system will install. So over India region we have only 2 options: standard hard drive and SSD. If I select US region. So over here, we have US region. Okay, so in standard one you can see that they have okay two region, but actually there are three different type of hard drive. I have to check on which region it is applicable. Okay, so these are the basically operating system hard drive, and these are the disk size. You can choose the different size, for example 40 GB or 40 GB, 64 GB, 128 GB, 256 GB per month cost. Okay, and you can come with the bandwidth also, and the transaction. So 100 transaction is large enough. Okay, if you need to support section also, for developer support or standard support or professional support, so the cost of supporting is also included. Okay, if you choose the developer support, it will take $29 per month, and in standard $100 per month. In professional it's take $1,000. Okay, so these are the things. Okay, you can change the into your reasonable currency also, or for example we are from India, so we can choose the India's rupees. So it is showing me 11,584 rupees per month basis. So basically this is estimated cost. It can vary. Okay, may go up or down. So this is the price calculator, and you can export it from here, export it and save it, and you can pass it to your customer, your client, that if we choose this number of hard drive, this number of virtual machine, so approximately it will take this much amount of money. Okay, another was there are TCO calculator. You can see estimated cost on switching from on premises to cloud environment. So what is this? So basically you can understood is something like this, and that this is the first of all, this is the total cost ownership calculator. Okay, from this portal you can find the cost, estimated cost, which will be added when you are moving from your traditional data to cloud server. Okay, so how much cost it will take, you can calculate it from here. Add server workspace, you can add server workspace. Okay, you can add the databases, you can add any other thing, and it will tell you the estimated cost for that. Okay, so these are two different type of calculator provided by the Microsoft Azure, by which we can are estimated on monthly basis, or from moving from on premises to cloud environment, we can get that. So thank you for watching my video. Please like it and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.